Nutraceuticals is a trendy buzzword. Why? Well, what's so great about nutraceuticals? And what are nutraceuticals anyway? Well, nutraceuticals, very briefly, are all the different kinds of nutritional supplements that we consume. A broad range of things, everything from extracts of plants, such as flavonoids and carotenoid compounds, to probiotics, prebiotics, amino acids, and vitamins and minerals. So many things are called nutraceuticals. And this is a huge term that includes a lot of things that are very vague and really not understood very well. So what's so great about nutraceuticals anyway? And why should we have a course about nutraceuticals, and especially how to combine them with herbal medicine? This course is based on my clinical experience. And when I work with clients, I frequently learn that they are already using nutraceuticals, and they don't really know what the effects are or what the effects are supposed to be. They have basically started using nutraceuticals because somebody told them to use them, or because they have heard about something, because there's some trendy information going on about it. Now, when people are using nutraceuticals without any real in-depth study about what they are, then there frequently isn't any real rational basis for using them clinically. And a lot of it is based on the marketing claims. And these marketing claims may or may not have any kind of validity. And if we look at these questionable things that are said about nutraceuticals, and then we ask ourselves, is this really what I need? And is it really going to do what it's supposed to do? Then we can start to practice critical thinking. And I'm a very strong advocate of critical thinking, and I'm a strong advocate of clinical level self-care. And in order to do clinical level self-care, we have to use critical thinking so that we can understand whether something is actually valid or not, and if we should be doing it. So in general, using nutraceuticals is not as potentially harmful as some of the more radical and inappropriate forms of detox that are also trendy, but they can cause some bad reactions. And even more commonly, they're just not that effective. They're not really doing anything, and they're just a waste of money. So we should know how to really choose the nutraceuticals that we need and use them correctly. So let's study this trendy subject with a critical mind and clear up some of the confusion about what these substances are and what they are not, and how to use the right things in the right way at the right time for the best results. And that can be done especially when we combine them in synergistic, potentized formulas with herbs.